हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। मेरा नाम है क्षितिज और आप देख रहे हो मुझे मेरे चैनल पर जिसका नाम है लक्ष्य एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन। दिस इज एपिसोड 2 फॉर ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक इन स्टैंडर्ड 10. As you know students, in the first episode we have studied some important formulas and identities which are important for trigonometry in standard 10. In this episode we are going to understand the values of trigonometric ratios for some angles. So इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और देखते रहिए एजुकेशनल वीडियोस. Now friends, in this video we are going to understand the values of some trigonometric angles, and these angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These are the angles which we have to remember and they are useful for the sums or calculative measurements in the trigonometry. यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक इजी टेक्निक सिखाने वाला हूँ जिससे आपको साइन थीटा, कॉस थीटा, टेन थीटा, कॉट थीटा, सेक थीटा एंड कोसेक थीटा इन सभी ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज के लिए 0, 30, 45, 60 एंड 90 एंगल के वैल्यूज याद रह जाएंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ टू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज वैल्यूज वी हैव अ टेक्निक व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टू गेट these values, first of all you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After writing these numbers, you have to divide all these numbers by 4. So 0 divided by 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. Now, after getting these fractions, we will apply square root to all these fractions. Applying square root to all of these, we get something like this. Now we will obtain the values of these all fractions in the root form. So here we get that 0 divided by 4. As we know that in any fraction, if there is 0 in the numerator, the value will be 0. So this value will become 0 and this gives us the value of sine 0. So sine 0 will be 0. Now here 1 divided by 4 and its square root. We know that square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. So this will give us 1 by 2, which is the value of sine 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Then 2 divided by 4, it will be 1 by 2. This will give us 2 2s are 4, so it will be 1 by 2. And the root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 2 will give us root 2. So sine 45 value will become 1 by root 2. Now the next one is for sine 60. Here there is no any cancellation over here, so we get the square root of 3 as root 3 and square root of 4 as 2. So we get the value of sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Now the next one is 4 divided by 4 will be 1 and the square root of 1 is 1 itself. So we get the sine 90. Value of sine 90 is 1. So it's very easy to remember students. First of all, what we have got? We have got the values of sine angles. As we got sine 0 equal to 0, sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2 and sine 90 equals to 1. So these are the values of some angles for sine ratio. Now the next one is for cos. For cos, it is very easy to remember cos angles. We have not to get any other technique for it, but it's very easy for us to remember how to write the angles or the measurements of the cos angles. Cos 0 will be equal to sine 90. तो यहाँ से हमको इस नंबर को पकड़ के सिर्फ यहाँ पे लाना है. So if I write 1 over here, this is the value of cos 0. So cos 0 will be sine 90, means cos 0 equal to 1. Again, the next one will be over here. We can put this value to here, so this becomes root 3 by 2. So this is the cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Now the next one, put the value over here. This is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 will be the same for sine 45 as well as cos 45. Now write this value to here. This is 1 by 2 and cos 60 has value 1 by 2. Now the next one is 0, will go to the last step and it will give us the value of cos 90. So cos 90 will be 0. So it's very easy to remember. लास्ट वैल्यू को यहाँ पर लेके आओ, इसको यहाँ पे लाओ, इसको यहाँ पे रख दो, इसको यहाँ पे रख दो और इसको यहाँ पे ले जाओ. This is cos angle. Now the next one is for tan theta. As we know that tan theta is the ratio of sin theta to cos theta. As I have written here tan theta over here, it is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. So I can get tan 0 equal to sin 0 upon cos 0. तो इसका अगर हम रेशियो ले लें तो 0 upon 1 will be 0. This gives the value of tan 0. So tan 0 is 0 by 1, 0. Now the next is tan 30. Tan 30 equal to sin 30 upon cos 30. So इसका अगर हम रेशियो लेते हैं तो 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. We can cancel out 2 and 2 and we will get 1 by root 3. So this is the value 1 by root 3. It is the value of tan 30. So this way tan 30 is 1 by root 3. The next one is 45. Again tan 45 is the ratio of sin 45 to cos 45. So 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2 will be cancelled out. We will get 1 only. So we get the value of tan 45, 1. The next one is tan 60. Again tan 60 is the ratio of sin 60 to cos 60. So sin 60 root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. This will be, if we cancel out 2, 2, we get root 3 upon 1. So this will be root 3. This is the value of tan 60. Now the next one is tan 90. Tan 90 is the ratio of sin 90 to cos 90. This is 1 divided by 0. Now one thing is very important to remember, students. In any fraction, if the denominator term is 0, then the value of this fraction becomes indefinite or undefined. So this value 1 upon 0 will be undefined value. So we do not get any value over here. It is undefined value. Now to get cot theta, cot angles, we can obtain the cot angles similarly the way we got cos angles from sine. We can get cot from tan. सबसे पहले इसको यहाँ पे कर दो डैश, ये रूट 3 को यहाँ पे रख दो, ये 1 को यहाँ पे रखो, ये 1 by root 3 को यहाँ पे रखो and 0 को लास्ट में ले जाओ. So we get cot 0 equal to undefined value, cot 30 equal to root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 by root 3 and cot 90 is 0. Very easy to remember. Now the next one is sec theta. As we know that sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So here we can get the value of sec by making the reciprocal of cos. Sec 0 is the reciprocal of cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, reciprocal of 1 will be 1, so sec 0 will be 1. Now sec 30 will be reciprocal of cos 30. Here cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and its reciprocal will be 2 by root 3. So we get sec 30 equal to 2 by root 3. The next one is sec 45. Sec 45 will be the reciprocal of cos 45. As we know that cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so its reciprocal will be root 2. So this is the value of sec 45, which is root 2. The next one will be sec 60. Again, sec 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60. So if we make the reciprocal of cos 60, it is 1 by 2, its reciprocal will be 2 by 1, means 2. This is cos 60. Now the next is sec 90. Again, sec 90 is reciprocal of cos 90 and we know that cos 90 is 0. Now the reciprocal of 0 means the 0 will go to the denominator and it will become undefined. So this will be undefined term. So we got sec 90 is undefined term. Now to get cosec, the last one is cosec. To get the ratios of cosec, again it is very easy to get it from sec. Simple. इसको यहाँ पे लेके आओ, इसको यहाँ पे रख दो, root 2 as it is, 2 by root 3 and 1 on the other side. So this way we got cosec 0, which is undefined term, cosec 30 it is 2, cosec 45 it is root 2, cosec 60 it is 2 by root 3 and cosec 90 its value is 1. So this is the way how we can remember the trigonometric ratio, some of the angles and their values. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप ये सब आपकी समझ में आ गया होगा और इसे याद रखना बहुत ही ईजी है। इसकी एक दो बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, आपको याद रह जाएगा। अगर वीडियो को पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर कीजिए, बेल आइकन को हिट कीजिए। सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे। इसी तरह से देखते रहिए वीडियोस ऑन लक्ष्य एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन। थैंक यू वेरी मच।